Health, housing, and human services agencies provide building blocks to help people and communities thrive. Safe and affordable housing, behavioral health supports, job training, and a strong start for our children are some of the services that create opportunities for all. Fairfax County recently completed a community-wide housing strategic planning process that sets a vision for housing that is affordable for individuals and for families over the next 15 years. This year, the Affordable Housing Resources Panel, made up of community members and nonprofits, made some excellent recommendations for addressing our affordable housing goals. Our budget this year made a down payment on this priority, but a future Board of Supervisors will be tasked with implementing those recommendations. Fairfax County recently completed a 10-year effort to address homelessness. I'm pleased to share that by helping individuals get the supports they need, Fairfax County has successfully reduced homelessness by nearly 50%. The Welcoming Inclusion Network, known as WIN, engaged community stakeholders to make recommendations to the board on how to transform delivery of developmental disability employment and day services. Implementation of those recommendations are already underway. This past summer, I hosted the first ever Disability Inclusion Conference at the Fairfax County Government Center, along with the ARC of Northern Virginia. We had an incredible turnout from the community. All of us there benefited from exploring how we can work to include adults with developmental disabilities in all aspects of community life, from employment to housing to inclusive public spaces. I'm also proud that today residents can walk into the Community Services Board's Merrifield Center and receive a mental health and substance use assessment the same day. Looking toward the future, Fairfax County is working to improve our IT system for human services, to streamline information, improve the customer experience, and make it easier for residents to enroll in our services. It should be simple for residents to connect with the programs and services that they need. Our health and human services agencies partner with the schools and public safety to make progress toward a number of mutual goals: providing equitable school readiness for all children, combating the opioid epidemic, preventing gang involvement, helping victims of domestic and sexual violence, and fighting human trafficking are all critical initiatives that make our community healthier and more resilient. Looking out for one another is what Fairfax County does best. At some point in our lives, all of us will need a hand. We all do better when we all do better.